Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to do automatic clear cache on your Telegram applications by iOS or iPhone. So by clearing the cache, you will be have an extra storage on your phone, and you don't need to delete the media that you are no longer use on a Telegram manually. So to do that, you just need to jump into the settings button, and whenever you arrive in the setting button, you just need to scrolling down until you found this data and storage, and then you just need to click it. And whenever you click it, you make sure that go into the storage usage right here, and to do an automatic clear the cache, you just need to scrolling down, and you will see an auto remove cache media. And now you just need to choose what part that you want to automatic remove the cache with. For example, this private chat, so you just need to go click it, and you can choose how can this system clear your cache periodically. You can do a 1 week or 1 month, so just choose depending to what you need. And then the channels too, you can also make it every day the system clearing the cache by click this part. So yeah, that's the way how to do automatic clear cache of Telegram application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next tutorial.